Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you my exercise for posture, and let's do this. This is the first pose. Cat pose. You just keep repeating doing like that, guys. Medyo mag-pose mo talaga. And then again. You can do that. If you are a beginner, please do not do this family pose. You can put a pillow on your back and you can lay down. Do it daily until you will notice you will